okay, among the investor community, that your money is secured, it is well regulated market. Okay, so that is the main function of the Sebi. Now the thing is, there are so many companies, like I've shown you the NSE website. Okay, when I say National Stock Exchange, okay, so what happened? I mean, what is the primary thing? What is the primary thing of the stock exchange? So I said it is exchange of the securities. But before stock exchange, there are some other things. Okay, like suppose there is a company, for example, I'm just saying, everyone know about Paytm. Okay, now Paytm is a company, and Paytm want money. Okay, they want fund. So what the Paytm will do, they will go for funding. Okay, and they don't want small fund like 50 lakhs or 1 crore. They want a big fund. They want 5,000 crore, 10,000 crores. Okay, so what Paytm will do is they want a big fund, right? And how it is possible? Because bank will also say no. Suppose if Paytm goes to State Bank of India or Bank of Maharashtra and say I want 10,000 crores, bank will refuse actually. So what is the option with the Paytm? So Paytm will go to the stock market. Okay, we call it primary market. Okay, and in the primary market, they will issue shares, which is known as the process of initial public offer. Okay, so IPO, we call it IPO investment. Okay, so initial public offer means first time the shares are issued to the public, and public will give the money to Paytm. But why public will give the money to the Paytm? Because public also expect that if Paytm do good business, we will get dividends, profit from the Paytm, as well as our share price. Suppose if they purchase for 100 rupees, the share price can move to 200, 300, 400. So there is appreciation of share price also. So the thing is, first is public issue of shares or debentures, and after that it goes to the secondary market known as the stock exchange. So what the Sebi do is, all these activities, what I'm saying, it regulates. Okay, it makes the rules, regulations, so that everyone is disciplined, and it create a trust in the market. Okay, that is the overall objective of the formation of the Security Exchange Board of India. Okay, and there are many other functions. Okay, I'm not going as of now in detail. Okay, so this is the main role of the Sebi. Now the thing is, the general public in India, they are not aware like how to invest, how to participate in the IPO, how the IPO works, how to open the trading account, demat account with a broker, who is a broker, what is the role of broker, and there are many other intermediaries. Okay, there are registrar and transfer agent, there are custodian banks, there are depository participants, there are a number of financial services, and they are really a good job creator in India. Okay, they give a lot of employment in India. So Sebi thought like the general public is not aware of all these processes. So they created one more body known as NISM, okay, which is known as National Institute of Securities Market. So this NISM is basically a education body under the Sebi. Okay, so NISM is a part of Sebi because Sebi is a regulator, but to make a financial literacy, okay, to make everyone a knowledgeable citizen, Sebi formed NISM. Okay, so what is the NISM? It is National Institute of Securities Market, which conduct education programs. Okay, and this is what I'm going to discuss for next 30 minutes. Okay, so now there are two education programs. Okay, and these are free to you, means you don't have to pay anything for these courses. Okay, now the first program is we have the NISM, okay, which as I said comes under the NISM, I mean Sebi, and a Kotak Securities Limited. Okay, now Kotak Securities Limited is a part of Kotak Mahindra Group. Okay, like you have Kotak Mahindra Bank and Kotak investment banking, then Kotak mutual fund, then Kotak insurance. Same way, Kotak Securities is a stock broker. Okay, so suppose I want to participate in the IPO, or let's say I want to purchase shares. How it is possible? I will go to Kotak Securities because Kotak Securities is a member of NSE. Okay, so this is how I will purchase or invest in the share market, or it can be in the debenture bonds. Now, this first education program, it is jointly offered by NISM and Kotak Securities, and it is known as Kona Kona Shiksha, because they want to spread financial literacy, on a pan-India basis. So Kona Kona Shiksha is the first program where we are going to discuss everything about the securities market. Means we will discuss stock exchange, we will discuss primary market like IPOs. The secondary market means how to do the transactions, in which companies we have to invest. Okay, how to do due diligence, how to study, analyze the company, the business model. Fine. So this program, talks about or give highlights or enlighten us on the securities market. Okay, and second is the Sebi nationwide quiz competition. Okay, and this is on the occasion of 75th independence celebration. Okay, again it is sponsored by the Sebi. Okay, and promoted by the central government of India. Okay, so let me go into the detail that what is this NISM and Kotak Securities. Okay, now first thing you can see here that what is the objective, and I already discussed with you that what the objective is. Okay, now what it says that financial education for young citizen endeavors to impart participant with a better understanding of the securities and capital market. The program will also make them aware about the career opportunities available in the securities market. Okay, now securities market is a big sector in the Indian economy. It have various sub sectors, or we can say different industries are there which provide various financial services. For example, stock broking is one industry. Then you have mutual fund. Then you have investment banking. Okay, then you have portfolio management. Okay, then you have alternative investment funds. You have derivatives. Fine. So it is a big industry. There are different intermediaries are there. So this program, as I said, it talk about, it enlighten you with the securities market, as well as further how it can help in your career, like what are different options available and what are different kind of jobs, roles and responsibilities in the securities or capital market. So this is the overall objective. Okay, now it is beneficial for whom? Okay, so if you are from the marketing, operations, IT infrastructure, if you are even into the programming, because nowadays everything is automated. You have algorithm which do the transactions. There are algorithm which follows the the triggers. Okay, so even if you are from the programming background, science background, it will be good for you, because you must have a domain knowledge. If you have a domain knowledge, then only you can do the coding, right? So IT infrastructure and programmer. Okay, finance, if you are from the finance background, HR, administration, system design, or you want to further enhance your career with the security research. Okay, so we call it security analysis. So it is beneficial to all this specialization. Now, who are eligible? Okay, now for this Kona Kona Shiksha, okay, if you are from the BBA, MCOM, MA Economics, MBA, MCA, BE, and LLB, you are eligible for this. Okay, now for others, don't worry, there is another program, I will come to that also. So, but this Kona Kona Shiksha, what I am saying, it is for, or even if you are from, the BCA background, okay, BCA data science, you are also eligible for this. Okay, now this is a 10-hour program. Of course, it will be online class. And after 10 hours, there is a quiz. Okay, there is an assessment, which is multiple choice questions. And after that, a certificate will be issued to you. And this certificate is jointly by Kotak and NISM. Okay, so it will, you can show in your resume, you can show in your CV, fine, that I have attended a program jointly offered by Kotak Securities and NISM. So definitely it will help you in getting jobs also. And there is no fees. Okay, it is free of cost. No cost. You don't have to pay anything for this. Fine. Any question on this? Let me know. Any question you have till now, what I have discussed, most welcome. Okay, no questions?
Student, have you any questions? Please ask.
Yeah, you can put in the chat box also. If you have any question, you can put in the chat box. Okay, so if no question, I will go to the next, okay, which is Sebi nationwide quiz competition. Now this Sebi nationwide quiz competition is on the occasion of, as I said, this 75th Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Okay, so those are the central government instructions that everyone, every department, every body, entity who are part of the government should do, some kind of celebration. So SEBI have organized a quiz competition for the colleges. Okay, and what are the highlights of this? Okay, so let me go with that. Now, of course, there is no participation fees. You can see here. Okay, the top 3 national winning teams will get 1,80,000 and 60,000. Okay, and All India top 100 student will get cash rewards. Okay, so there are prizes also, 10,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees. Okay, I will highlight those things. Okay, and there are different rounds to it. Okay, so let me come to first the round. Okay, there are 3 rounds. So I hope you can see here there are 3 rounds. Okay, so round 1 is at the college level. Okay, it will be online, simple. It is a quiz. You have some 40 questions. Okay, and of course you have to score well. Okay, you try your best to have all the questions correct, and thereafter, okay, after round 1, you will get your scores. Okay, you have to attend individually. See, it is very clear written. You have to attend individually. Okay, now of course, how to register? You have to register through college only. It's very simple. Okay, so the college the college will upload your data, and then you have to, of course, first thing is you have to give your name to the college. Okay, first thing is you should give your name to the college. Okay, and then either college or me and let's say Sheetal ma'am will upload your data, okay, on the website, okay, which is again the Sebi website. We will upload your data, and then you will get 10 days. Of course, you will get books also. If you want books early, I will mail you the books. Okay, I will mail the books to Sheetal ma'am. Okay, and you will get the books. It's a simple, I mean, not so tough, because it is for everyone. Okay, now even if you are from the BCom, if you are from the BA, if you are from the BSc, means any background, I mean, not necessarily you have to be MBA or MCom or MA. Even if you are into the first year, second year, first semester, third semester, you are doing PG, you are doing, doctorate, you should be a student. That's all. Okay, and you can only participate through college. So first thing is you have to give your name to the college. Okay, let's say if I say your college means your faculty, okay, Sheetal ma'am, and I will upload the data and you will get registered. Then you will get 10 days. Okay, of course, there is some study material in the PDF format. So you will get that books, study the books. There will be 40 questions. Okay, you will be given 45 minutes to complete this. Okay, and then you will have your scores. Okay, you will get your score individually. And we have different zone, right? South, east, west, north, and central. From each zone, 10 colleges with the top score will get selected. Okay, these 10 colleges, okay, will go to the round 2. And this round 2 and round 3 will be in Mumbai. Okay, now cost, all the cost, like you will travel to Mumbai, let's say you got selected and I want you to get selected. So you will go to Mumbai, every cost will be borne by the Sebi. Okay, you don't have to pay anything. So round 2, okay, there are 50 colleges. Why 50 colleges? Because there are 5 zones, right? South, east, west, north, and central. And every zone will have 10 teams. So 50 college team will go to round 2, where Mumbai, okay, where NISM campus. Okay, so it is a beautiful campus, big campus of 40 acres. Okay, so you will go there. Okay, that will be the round 2, and then it will be round 3. Okay, after round 2, round 3. So from 50 colleges, 15 teams, top 15 teams will be selected, which is a national round. Okay, so all your traveling and staying at the NISM campus will be free. Okay, you don't have to pay anything for it. Okay, so this is the thing. Now, what you will get? Okay, what are the prize money for the student? Now, every participant will get a certificate of participation. First thing. Okay, the national winners, as I have highlighted here. Okay, the national winners, the 3 winners will get, this is the prize money. Okay, then the regional, the 5 regions. Okay, they will get 10,000 rupees. Although it is not written here, but the 10,000 rupees, okay, and certificate of accomplishment. So there is a medal, there is a cash prize, and felicitation at an event conducted for this. Means you will get, felicitation by the NISM and the Sebi executives. And the regional runner-ups will get 5,000 rupees. And of course, the certificate. Okay, the top 50 means round 2 and 3, round 2 will get certificate of merit, and everyone will get participation certificate. Means this is, I'm talking about round 1. Is it fine? Another thing is for the colleges also. The college from which maximum student will participate. Okay, the college will also get 25,000 rupees, and the trophy and a shield. Okay, the head or the principal or the faculty, whoever college want to send to Mumbai, okay, they will also get felicitated, okay, at the grand ceremony, which will be in Mumbai. And again, as I said, the cost will be borne by the Sebi. Okay, now the thing is, the main important thing, all this prize money is fine, but the main thing is what to study in quiz. Okay, and as I said, that there will be books provided to you. Okay, you will get the PDF format of it. Another thing is that content is not very hi-fi finance topic. It is for everyone, because even if you are from the arts background, you are from the science background, engineering background, or any like commerce background, you should be in position to study those books. Okay, so that is not a challenge, I will say. Only thing is you have to sincerely read all the pages. Is it fine? Okay, another thing which I want to highlight here is, all this thing, as I said, is related to the securities market, or you can say financial planning or wealth management. Later on, when you grow in your career, all these things, of course, first thing is it will help you in getting a job. Okay, the chance increase. Second thing is it will also boost your, once you get a corporate job, it will boost your career, further in getting promotions and getting hikes. Okay, another thing is, since there are two programs, right? One is the Kona Kona Shiksha, but only thing is it is restricted to, as I said, to certain degree only as of now. Okay, because it is the first year for for this education program. So, I mean, every degree is not welcome. Initially, it is this much only. Later on, maybe in the next year, they can include more, degrees and diplomas and polytechnic also. Now the thing is, these two programs are, as I said, they are somewhat interlinked. Okay. Now what I mean by the interlink means what you study in 10 hours, automatically, most of the things you will prepare for the quiz also. So when you attend this Kona Kona Shiksha, which is a 10-hour program, as I said, almost 80% of your syllabus of the quiz will automatically will cover. Okay, so what I can, suggest from my side is that first, I mean, if you are eligible for Kona Kona Shiksha, okay, if you are eligible for Kona Kona Shiksha, I will say first go for the Kona Kona Shiksha, where you are going to learn everything about the securities market, various financial services like mutual fund, financial planning, wealth management. Okay, and after that, you attend a quiz of Kona Kona Shiksha, you will get a certificate, and then you can move to the Sebi nationwide quiz competition. This can be one approach, okay, a prudent or wise approach towards the quiz. Okay, you have any question? Most welcome.
Sir, I do have a question. The
Yeah,
Kona
please.
Kona that you said, we
Mhm.
can just study all of the material for 10 hours online,
No,
or
no,
we
no,
have.
no, no. This will be live classes. The 10-hour program is, yeah, it is not a recorded session. Rather, it is the live online classes. See, because of pandemic, it is online. Otherwise, it was the physical classes, which we conducted in the end of December when college opened, right? So when the college opened in December and January first week, we conducted physical classes also. But because of this pandemic, we are conducting online. Or the colleges are more comfortable with the hybrid mode. But as of now, this will be not a recorded session. This will be live, like how I'm taking a live session for you. So this 10 hours will be live, recorded say, I mean, live sessions, not the recorded.
Okay. So these will happen from when?
This will, how it will happen. So the thing is, for both the program, the student have to register through college only. Means a student cannot go individually. It is only through college. Why? Because bec- because these are the certification program. Okay, and since it is free of cost to the college, so student cannot avail individually. First thing. Okay, so the thing is, it is possible only through a college. So first thing is, college will do the registration. Okay, which I told to the Sheetal ma'am. Okay, so to Sheetal ma'am, I have explained the process. Again, I will send her a mail. That first thing is college will register. Once college will register, okay, it will take roughly 2 days. Okay, once college will register means we have to fill the information and college will get registered. Thereafter, the college will tell when to start. Okay, when to start, and these 10 hours, like every day 2 hours, or it is on a weekend, like Saturday, Sunday, or Friday, Saturday, or like Monday to Friday, 2 hours daily. So 10 hours can be done. Fine. So it is up to the college. So the thing is, in the registration, first the college will register. College will tell when to start, and then after the registration, you have to give your name to the college, because you will see, first thing is you have to, means who are the participants, that we should know, like, so that we can send the MCQ test to the student, and then a certificate will carry their name, right? So that's why, who are the participants? Once you give your name, once you give your name to the college, then you have to attend 10 hours. And suppose if you don't give your name to the college, then you cannot attend, because we also want to know, and our auditor also wants to know, like, who are the attendees, to whom the MCQ link was sent. I mean, who have received the MCQ link. And of course, certificate is like, we also want in our records. Then only it is verified, because suppose if you go for the interview, they will also verify with us that this particular XYZ, or let's say, for example, Sheetal Tendulkar have, attended. So we also want those things. So the thing is, first college will register. You have to give your name to the college. The college will let us know what are the start dates, from which date we have to start. It is 2 hours a day, 3 hours a day. Okay. And this is how the 10 hours have to be completed. And after that, you will get the quiz, and then after verifying, it will take some 7 to 10 days to issue the certificate in your name. Now, it can be student also, it can be faculties also, it can be teaching staff, it can be non-teaching staff, but it is only through college it is possible. For the Kona Kona Shiksha, same way for the Sebi quiz also, because see, there are prizes. Okay, so we need the authority. Who is the college? Okay, so it is only through college these programs are conducted.
And sir, as we know that the first competition that is national wise, the college wise, will have a MCQ. What will be the next two that there are there?
So see, in the Sebi nationwide quiz competition, there are 3 rounds. Okay, round 1 is MCQ. There are 40 questions. Of course, I will send you the PDF to Sheetal ma'am. I will send the PDF, the study content. So round 1 is at a college level. By sitting at your home, you can appear for the quiz. Okay. Next thing is, if your score is above average, because there is a cutoff actually. What is the cutoff? Nobody knows. It is, see, what is cutoff, the percentile system. When all the participants in the west zone, like Pune comes in the west zone, so all the participants, all the colleges and participants, they will take out the average. Okay, they will compile the score. You will get score. Don't worry, you will get the score also. If your score is above the average, you will go to the round 2. Round 2 is also an MCQ. Okay, round 2 is also MCQ, but it will be in Mumbai. You have to sit in a hall actually. Okay, it will not be online, but it will be offline. So you have to sit in a auditorium. You have to appear there. That is round 2. If you clear round 2, you go to round 3, which can be a combination of MCQ and presentation. Okay, maybe they can ask you to present. It depends, it depends what the pandemic situation is and all those. So it can be a quiz also. It can be a quiz plus a presentation, that how you present a topic. Okay, so you will be given a presentation. That is round 3.
Thank you, sir.
Right. So, any question? Any more question? Please clarify.
Yes, sir. I want to ask one question. Cutoff is predetermined, or
No,
is that decided?
cutoff is not predetermined. Cutoff is always depend on the participation. So how many are participated, what their scores are, and then they will decide the cutoff. Because Sebi also want maximum participation. See, I'll tell you very simple thing. These two programs, what I'm discussing, NISM Kotak Securities Kona Kona Shiksha and Sebi Nationwide Quiz, this they have launched this year. But in 2020, when I got associated with the Sebi, that time they have one program for investors actually. Now, we conduct investor awareness program also, but only for the earning people, not for the student, but only those who are working. For the working people, we have a different program. And in the year 2021, how many such program conducted and how many participants are there? All those, SEBI gives to the central government, Ministry of Finance, and all those things are announced by the finance minister in the parliament. So the thing is, we want maximum participation. Okay, so the thing is, cutoff will be decided like what the participation is, how many colleges, how many students have participated. Thereafter, the cutoff will be decided. As of now, there is no, any specific number to it. But we will also encourage, to have maximum participation, and we encourage like students should participate. Those numbers we can highlight.
Yes. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Fine. More questions, please clarify. Any other question related to this? Anything? No need to hesitate.
Sir, like you said that you will give us some sort of PDF or some sort of study material for the first clarifying exams. What will happen once we qualify? Will also be given some other study material, or that's all our own knowledge?
The thing is, that will be enough actually. The material what you will get will be enough for round 2.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Student, have you any doubt? Please ask, sir.
So only thing is, I will say that who are eligible for Kona Kona Shiksha, okay, you give your name to Sheetal ma'am, okay, and the college, the Sheetal ma'am, and the college authority will see how this 10 hours can be accommodated with your regular schedule, because you have regular schedule also, right? You have regular classes, you have other activities. So how this 10 hours can be, they also have to plan. But the thing is, you give your name if you are from the BBA, MCOM, MA Economics, MBA, MCA, BE, LLB, if you are from this background, or BCA, data science, or if you are from other background also, you let Sheetal ma'am knows, and then I will clarify to her that whether you are eligible or not. Okay, but we want maximum participation. And quiz is, see, you have enough time. I'm not saying you appear for the quiz in February. Okay, so the thing is, you read the PDF books, and then you register yourself. Okay, so don't be in hurry for the quiz, because quiz is valid till May. Okay, May 2022, the quiz will be valid. So no hurry. Only thing is, you sincerely prepare, okay, and participate. Of course, you will get even the certificate for participation, and you can show in your CV. Okay, of course, you will get some knowledge, and it will help you in cracking the interview. Okay, one more thing, last thing from my side. For the quiz, I'm saying, when you register, see, don't be in hurry. That's why I'm saying, don't be in hurry. When you register for the quiz, you will only get 10 days. So don't register immediately. Okay, I will send you the books. I will send the books to the Sheetal ma'am. Read first and then register. See, when your data is uploaded by the college, you will get the registration link. When you register, you will only get 10 days. Okay, so I'll write here, you will only get 10 days for the quiz. Okay, and you will get your SMS, on your mobile and an email. So we need some data of you, which of course, means you have to give to the college. What the data you have to give? Your name, okay, your degree, and your stream, your contact or mobile number, and email ID. These are the things which I will mail to Sheetal ma'am. Okay, this Excel I will send to her. So these are the things you have to give. Okay, which degree? Suppose if you are from BCom, then stream will be commerce. Okay, if you are from, let's say, MA, okay, degree is MA, but stream can be economics, it can be some other, right, English or some other things. Okay, your mobile number, so that you can get a SMS. You will get a reminder that you have to appear for the test, and an email where you will get your link. Fine. So these are the things we require. So of course, I will send the Excel sheet to the college. College and me will upload the data to the portal. Okay, and then you will get a link. You will only register when you are fully prepared, because you will only get 10 days for the exam. Within 10 days, you have to appear for the exam. For the quiz, exam means the quiz. Okay, now more questions. Most welcome. So, Sheetal ma'am, you have any question? I mean, any clarification, please let me know. Or else I will connect over a phone to you.
No, sir. Okay. Thank you,
Fine.
sir.
Fine,
Student,
fine.
you have any questions? Have you any questions, student? Thank you so much, sir.
Fine. So, ma'am, I will call
I'm
you
Mr.
after, in afternoon, I will
Pending
call
question.
you. All right.
Okay.
All right. Thanks,
Okay,
everyone.
sir.
Thanks, everyone. Thanks, all
Just
students,
wait, sir.
college
Sir,
authorities.
I, Sheetal Tendulkar, please give a vote of thanks.
I would like to thank the principal, Dr. H.R. Zadav sir, Vice Principal ma'am, Dr. Sangeeta Shinde ma'am, HOD of Commerce Department, Dr. Sheetal Lakade ma'am, all the teachers, the students present here. I would also like to thank Mr. Rohit Varman for guiding us and enlightening us with his knowledge. I'm sure that each of us has some valuable takeaways from today's sessions. Thank you, sir, for providing the information in a very simple and understandable way, in a very layman's language, not using too many technical terms. Thank you for clearing my doubts and everybody else's doubt also.
Thanks, everyone. Thanks, Sheetal. Thanks, ma'am. Yes, everyone, college
Thank you,
authority,
Sheetal. And all
principal,
of you on
director.
your camera, switch on your camera. All of you switch on camera. On your camera, students. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, thanks, ma'am.
And thank you, all of you, dear students. Thank you so much.
you.